Jai Gurudev students. In last video, we have studied about electricity, charges, electric current and direction of electric current. Today, we have some questions. Question number 1. Calculate the number of electrons constituting 1 coulomb charge. And second, how many electrons are passing through a cross section of a conductor in 2 minutes which has electric current 5 ampere. Solution first. Number of electrons n. Charge 1 coulomb and value of E minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Now, we know Q equal and E. Q1 and value of E 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Here we have only numerical value without negative sign. N equal 1 upon 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. Remove point and take 10 to the power 19 as a numerator. Here, next step, 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 electrons in 1 coulomb charge. Solution of question 2. We have time 2 minutes. Current flows through a conductor 5 ampere. Number of electrons n. Value of electron charge minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Here we take time in second. We know I equal Q upon T and Q equal N E. Then I equal N E upon T. So N equal I into T upon E. I 5 ampere, T 2 into 60, electron charge 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. 600 into 10 to the power 19 upon 1.6. Now 6000 upon 16 into 10 to the power 19. 3.75 into 10 to the power 21 electrons. Answer. Okay, student. Next topic, electric circuit. An electric circuit is a closed path for current. Electric circuit has mainly three things. A source of energy such as cell, a device such as bulb, and connecting wire and a connecting wire. We see electric circuit in figure. Here cell, positive terminal, negative terminal, bulb uses electricity and current flow positive terminal to negative terminal. An electric circuit has a key, ammeter and voltmeter. You see, ammeter always connect in series to the device and voltmeter always parallel to the device. Students, now we study about electric cell. You all familiar with electric cell in torches, clock, etc. Cell. Cell is a device that convert chemical energy into electrical energy. A cell is a device that convert chemical energy into electrical energy. A cell maintain potential difference in a circuit. Okay, electric circuit due to potential difference current flows through a circuit. It means potential difference is responsible to the flow of current. A group of cell is called battery. Symbol of cell like this. Symbol of battery. It is battery.